Lawyer Tom Ojienda is a free man after the High Court temporarily stopped his prosecution before a magistrate's court until February. The orders were issued by High Court Judge Chacha Mwita after Ojienda, through his lawyers, filed a petition just hours before he took a plea to charges of corruption. NTV's Silas reports that the court session also lifted the lid on what is slowly becoming a supremacy battle between lawyers and the Director of Public Prosecutions.
Today was the D-Day for senior counsel Tom Ojienda. Ojienda, who was arrested on Friday alongside lawyer Peter Wanyama, was set to take plea to charges of obtaining money by false pretense, as had been preferred by the Director of Public Prosecutions, Nudin Haji.
The affidavit of Nelson.
But his legal team had other plans in mind. Lawyer Nelson Harvey filed a petition before High Court Judge Chacha Mwita seeking to stop the commencement of the case. His battery of lawyers, who included senior counsels James Orengo, Okongo Omogeni and others, argue that the office of the DPP has gone rogue and is on a witch hunt.
As we close the year, Nurdin Haji is telling the people of Kenya that he is the law unto himself, that he can violate the rights of your petitioner who has been a former president of the Law Society of Kenya, who is the representative of the lawyers of this country in the Judicial Service Commission.
This court, and no other, is uniquely placed to prevent what I can only call a DPP's office that has become constitutionally rogue.
But the office of the DPP fought off the claims, arguing that it did everything in line with the Constitution and other relevant laws governing its conduct.
The DPP is accused of abuse of power under Article 158. His conduct is being called to question, and caution must be exercised.
Directions will be given on 18th of February 2019, and interim orders are granted in terms of prayers 2, 3, and 4 of the motion of 30th of December 2018 until 18th of February 2019.
The criticism of the DPP was backed by questions over why Ojienda was released before arraignment and at night, unlike what has been seen in other cases, which have been deemed to have been of even higher caliber. DPP Haji says that Ojienda was released because he cooperated with the detectives. He wrote his statement and all the required documents were at the time in the possession of the DCI and the DPP. Haji has further said that the arrest was not malicious, as the LSK had claimed, adding that the noise from the lawyers was uncalled for, and releasing Ojienda showed the goodwill of the DCI and the DPP.
Today's case is one of the two that Professor Ojienda is facing in a court of law, the other being one pitting him against the Kenya Revenue Authority, which accuses him of evading tax running into millions of shillings. His supporters, however, have linked the cases to a plot to lock him out of the race for the Judicial Service Commission set for February. Silas, NTV.